Atlantic Ocean represents an immense fluid space that exhorts mankind to explore it with curiosity and respect. The vastness of this huge body of water recalls to mind the greatness of nature, its complexity, and our smallness compared to this immensity. The Atlantic is also evidence of unexplored depths, of an unknown and mysterious world that conceals secrets and wonders still to be discovered. Its vastness is an invitation to reflect on how little we know about our world, of the importance to continue to explore and to learn, and to deepen our knowledge of our role in nature. The underwater world offers an opening on the beauty and diversity of marine life, of its fragility, and of our responsibility to protect it. It reminds mankind that we are an integral part of a complex and binding ecosystem, that all our actions have an impact on other forms of life and on the surrounding environment. This large ocean demonstrates our humbleness. Its immensity and strength is a reminder of our vulnerability in front of the greatness of nature.